Good morning, class 3 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now, it's a grammar class, and now today we learn how to arrange words in correct order to make sentences. Open at page number 18. Here is the sentence. It is not in order. Football play, I not do. Now, tell me, it's a sentence? No, it's not a proper sentence. You have to arrange the words to make a proper sentence. I, capital word. So, and the subject. So, I, next, do not. I do not play, verb means action word. I do not play football. Okay. Is that clear? Football play, I not do. So I do not play football. You have to arrange the sentences like this. Now look at another example. Okay, another example from your book. Cook not, he does. Now tell me, it's very easy. Only 4 words are here. You have to rearrange the words. He, capital. What do you know? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. So he. Next, does. Does not cook. Okay. You have to arrange the words to make a meaningful sentence. Now, page number 19. Now, page number 19. Change the positive sentence to negative sentence. Positive to negative. Have you learned the rules? Positive to negative. Positive to negative. Positive to negative. Okay, let's take an example from your book. First, Kusagra goes to office at 9 a.m. Kusagra goes to office at 9 a.m. Tell me, it's positive or negative? Yes, it's positive. Why? Positive means yes and negative means no. Two type of sentences, positive and negative. Positive yes, negative no. Kusagra goes to office at 9 a.m. Now turn this sentence to negative. What is the answer? In the previous class we have learned how to make positive to negative. Now look at the board. Kusagra does not do not. Kusagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. Kusagra does not go. Kusagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. Goes, does not. Do you know the rules? You have to remember the rules like a rhyme. Like we, you, they. You, they do. He, she, it does. So you, they do. He, she, it does. Kusagra. You can change this sentence. You can replace the name Kusagra by she. So she does. So Kusagra does not for negative sentence. So Kusagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. You have to read. You have to remember it like a rhyme. It's like a formula. I, you, they do, he, she, it does. Okay. Now another example from your book. Very interesting. Ben is my pet. Very easy. Can you tell me? Ben is my pet. It's positive or negative? It's positive. Ben is my pet. But when you change it to negative, what is the answer? Ben is my pet. Ben is not my pet. Okay. Negative. Negative. Ben is my pet. Ben is not my pet. Remember the rules. We can change a positive sentence to a negative sentence by adding not. Okay. Remember the words like not, words like not, never, no. These types of words are always used in negative sentence. So is that clear? Okay. Now make negative sentence using hints in the practice. Another, number D, page number 19. Number D, the girl in yellow dress be my friends. Negative sentence. Okay. Now the girl in yellow dress is my friends. Is my friend. Sorry, it's my friend. Be verb. Do you know be verb means? Be verb, when be verb is used in present tense, then it is, am, are, and past tense was, were. Okay, was and were. So be present tense is, am, are, past tense was, were. Okay, it's present tense and past tense was, were. Okay, so the girl in yellow dress, the girl, one or many? One, so singular. Okay, the subject is singular, so we use the girl in yellow dress is, and negative, not for negative. So the girl in yellow dress is not my friend. Is that clear? Okay, now another interesting chapter for you, interesting topic. Proper noun and common noun. Open at page number 21. Read page number 21 carefully. Proper noun and common noun. Nouns, common. You have read in class 2 common and proper. Now first tell me what are nouns. Okay. Remember the word nouns came from the Latin word nomen, okay, meaning that means name. So noun, common noun and proper noun. Now tell me your name aloud. Okay, okay. Now if I write here boy, now the name of any boy. Okay, Sam. Girl, Tina. City, Kolkata. River, Ganges. Now you have to remember the difference between common noun and proper noun by examples. It's very easy, better than definition. Boy, boy means any boy around you or around any boy in our locality. But Sam is the name of a special boy. so it's common noun. Girl, any girl, so common. But Tina, name of a particular girl, so proper noun, it's proper noun, proper. City, city means any city. There are many cities in the world, so city means any city. But Kolkata, Kolkata is Kolkata, not other city. Kolkata, so proper noun. River, river means there are many rivers in the world, in many rivers, so common. But Ganges, only river in India, so proper. Okay. So look at the difference between common noun and proper noun. So what we learned that common noun means any general name. Common noun means, remember, common noun means general name and proper nouns means particular name. Particular name or special name. Are you a boy or girl? Tell me. If you are a boy, then it's common boy, common noun. If you are a girl, then common noun. But when your teacher, your mother, your father or your relatives call you by your name, then it is special name. Is that clear? Now, okay. Open at page number 23. And remember, common noun always begins with a small letter, but proper noun begins with a capital letter. Is that clear? Because it's the special name of anything like mountain, common noun, but Himalaya, proper noun. It's very easy difference between common noun and proper noun. Rewrite these sentences in your use capital letters. Okay, now another example for you. Page number 23. Okay, I will give you an example. My birthday falls on 23. Oh, page number 23. Here also 23. What is the 23? My birthday falls on 23 December. Okay. Now, what we have learned in class 2 and class 1, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So, my birthday, common noun. Birthday, verb, falls on, preposition, 23 at its date. But oh, sorry, oh, December, it's in small. But now you have to know that December is the name of a month. So December, capital. Do you know the rules? Where do you use capital letter? The names of days, the names of month, capital letter always. Okay? Okay, do it yourself. Now it's a lockdown period and you are at home. So learn it carefully. Thank you.